Hey guys, you may be looking at your gradebook and you may be looking at that very first assignment and you may be wondering why it is that you got the grade that you did. So I'm going to sort of walk you through that first assignment and sort of take you through why you got the grade that you did and just sort of let you know why it is you got the grade that you did. Um, so this is your landing page. This is when you open up that Cami, this is what you should have landed on. Um, it says to write in your cuaderno, both the Inglés and the Espanol. So this is work that goes in your cuaderno, okay? And so this is not anything that you should ever write on. This is not part of the Cami that you write on. It says to write in your cuaderno, okay? So if you wrote on this, it may have ended up looking something kind of like this or a little bit messier right around this area. And you probably got a comment that says, never write on this page. This is to go in your cuaderno. You have a purple column dedicated to bell work. It says bell work with a date. And later on, as we kind of get more into this section, this unit of greetings and courtesy expressions, you're going to see an assignment pops up that says, notebook to turn in for a grade, and all of your bell works will be in there. All that sort of stuff will be in there. And you're turning in all of that stuff. So if you do your bell work here, I can't grade it. Okay. So make sure that if you put your bell work here, that you go and you transfer it to your cuaderno for me. Okay. So that way you get a grade for it, because I'm not looking at this. I'm not going back and going through 140 camis, because that's just not how life is for me. I'm not going to look at 140 camis for 8 bell works. Okay. I'm going to look at 140 notebooks one time each for 8 bell works, but I'm not going to look at 140 camis 8 times. Does that make sense when I'm trying to grade a notebook? Like, I'm not going to do that. Okay. So there's that. Okay. So if you didn't turn in an assignment, this is what I see. And so then I go through my speed grader. I'm like, you get a 0 because you didn't turn it in. Can you still turn it in? Yes. Because the way that the assignment is set up, like your module is set up, like you can't get to your next assignment until you turn it in. Okay. And then I went back because I was like, wow, you guys really didn't watch my videos. You didn't attend my classes. Y'all just didn't do this. Okay. So not only do you have to submit it, but you have to make a 7 out of 10. Okay. So there's that now. So you have a 0. You can submit it and change that 0 to a whatever it is you need. So let's look at what a grade assignment looks like. This is what I was looking for. According to your instructions. So you read your instructions, you follow your instructions. Okay. This person just submitted a blank assignment before I changed what I wanted my module to look like, because I was getting stuff like this. So I just said grade 0, do the work, resubmit, and I'll regrade. Okay. But now you're stuck. Just because you submitted it, doesn't mean it's going to, you're stuck right here. Okay. You have to get a 7 out of 10 in order to move on. All right. Let's look at another thing. Here's a 5. Which one is the odd one out? You were supposed to tell me which one was the odd one out. Which one doesn't go? Okay. So in order to advance, you just need to, it says resubmit and I'll regrade. Come over here to your markup tools or your shapes. Okay. One that'll make it look like this. Do that real quick to your Cami, resubmit it. I'll regrade it. You'll be good. One that's right here, you should have at least 20 phrases here. So you kind of are like, this is like step A. It's like this step combined with this step gives us this step. Okay. So you told me which ones were the odd one out, but you didn't give me 20 phrases. Does that make sense? You gave me 20 phrases here, didn't tell me which one was the odd one out. You didn't give me 20 phrases here, but you told me which one is the odd one out. So you need to redo, resubmit, and I'll regrade. Okay. So you've got like all of these, you know, like comments that I make on your camis and whatnot. Okay. So always look at the comments on your cami. Okay. Look at the comment on your cami. Look at the comments that I make on your actual assignments. Turn stuff in, and I'll regrade it for you. Okay? All right. Love you guys. Bye.